If I had one of those Staples buttons that said easy, I would have hit it. This is too easy! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So what am I doing today? I am going to recover this lampshade. I've wanted to do this for a while. So if you want to see how I recover this lampshade, then stick around. Anyway, it fits a lamp. It's like the perfect size for a lamp, of course, that I already have. And you all know I'm a lamp fanatic, so this fits perfectly the lamp that I already have. The fabric that I'm going to be using is this fabric that I bought from Walmart. Yeah, Walmart a couple months ago. I was looking for some other fabric and I saw this and I couldn't resist it. I don't know if this is coming across, but it's like it's a very light blue, green, gray color. It's like a mixture. It feels like a blend of sky blue, gray kind of thing. But it's a very neutral color. I don't know if that's coming across. But anyway, I thought I'd make some pillows out of that, and I still might because I still have a lot of fabric left. But I'm going to recover this lampshade. So what I've done off camera is I cut some fabric off already. And I ironed it as well because I want to put this on. You don't want just like doing a pillowcase or covering a headboard. You want to iron fabric first because you won't get a second chance to do that. So I ironed out the fold, or as many of the folds as I could. And I kind of cut this and I kind of eyeballed it because I didn't have the lamp with me. Lamp was downstairs, I was upstairs. So my hope is to put this on like that, and no sewing, just hot gluing, and hot glue this sucker down. So I'm going to make some adjustments because obviously the fabric is too long. So I'm going to cut this fabric a little bit more, and then I'll come back on. All right, so I cut off the excess. Let me sit down again. I cut off the excess of the fabric, and okay, that's that. And this is going to be just like wrapping a present. Now, mind you, I've never done this before, so you're going along with me as I do this. But I figured, how hard could this be, right? How hard? This to be as tight as I can get it because I don't want a saggy shade. What I'm doing is pulling this very, very tightly. I don't want any loose fabric. put a little bit more like right here where it's like a seam. Let's give it like a little seam. Awesome. I'm loving it. All right, I'm gonna fold this over, glue it down. Oh, this is gonna be easy. Guys, this is too easy. You have to try this. This is too easy. Okay, I'm gluing it down. I'm going in. I'm gluing it down. I'm starting my gluing. And I'm just gluing this down. Oh, you can do this. Come on, guys. We can do this. This just looks like it's going to be too easy. This is going to be too easy. Too darn easy. So I'm just going in. And applying some glue. I just did this little part right here to the edge. This is too easy. If I had one of those Staples buttons that said easy, I would have hit it. This is too easy! So I finished the lampshade, the DIY lampshade, and at the end I'm going to show you what it looked like. I think it turned out pretty nicely. I hope you can use this information for those of you who want to give it a shot. But I tell you, DIYs are such trial and error, aren't they? More like error. So give it a shot. Let me know how you make out if you decide to make a lampshade. Thanks, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next production. Bye now.